The Generate My Work Plan use case allows users to automatically prioritize and schedule tasks using AI. The Prioritize Work AI agent analyzes workloads, prioritizes tasks, estimates completion times based on historical data, and matches tasks to available calendar slots. In this example, let's say Susan, an IT agent, starts her day by checking her assigned incidents in the service operations workspace to organize her tasks. She usually visits different sites to manually gather and prioritize her work, a process that takes a lot of time, particularly when she has to manage other task assignments at other locations. Utilizing the Now Assist panel, Susan can efficiently initiate the workflow by submitting a Plan My Work prompt. This action triggers an agentic workflow that generates her work plan and retrieves all pertinent tasks and information, ensuring the resulting list is prioritized appropriately. Susan has been assigned 6 incidents and 4 change requests. Subsequently, each task will be reviewed and relevant information gathered to produce a prioritized list for her. The AI agents classified incident 376 as high priority, provided detailed descriptions, and assigned a score of 100, indicating high priority status due to the critical nature of the incident and breaches of service level agreements, SLA. Priority was determined by the language model based on priority, task urgency, SLA violations, impact, and sentiment. Here you can also find estimated effort, start date, and end date based on similar past incidents, helping agents understand how much time completing the task might require. Both incidents and change requests are included since Susan is responsible for managing change requests as well. Some tasks lack estimated details because there are no comparable historical records. Once the list is presented, the user is asked to review the prioritized list and determine whether any revisions or further adjustments are required. Let's say Susan wants to view only the change requests along with their scores. Now only the change request task list is provided in the prioritized list included here. You can submit a prompt to request another adjustment, which will update and finalize the plan. For example, if you need to modify a score, simply send a request. The scores will be updated according to your priority instructions. To activate this agentic workflow, you'll need to log in as an admin. Head over to your AI Agent Studio and select the Generate My Work Plan Agentic Workflow. There, you'll notice it is modified to use just one AI agent in the latest release. Assign the required role, Platform AI Work Planner, to users who need access to this agent workflow. Ensure all relevant users have this role. Add triggers if needed. The Assist panel is now enabled by default in the latest release, eliminating the need for additional activation steps. To add the Agentic Workflow Trigger Action button within the product, you may add a UI button at the record level, for example, on an incident record page within the workspace, or access it directly from the incident table. Save the changes, and now let's go back to the AI agent. In this AI agent, you can review the description to understand what it does. By default, it is configured to allow your AI agents to learn from past executions. If you want, you can change this setting. If you wish to enable your AI agent to review third-party access, that option is available. Additionally, you may examine the list of tools utilized in this context. Regarding security controls, it is essential to define user roles and ensure that each user is assigned the appropriate role. If any triggers are necessary, please ensure they are properly configured. Next, select Channels. If you want the AI agent to work only in your Now Assist panel without starting the agentic workflow, activate this option. By default, the agent is enabled for agentic workflows. Activate this agent only if you do not plan to use the agentic workflow or want to use it on its own. If both are active, you may see them together in the Now Assist panel, which can be confusing for your users. Scroll down and make sure the AI agent is active. Click on Save and Test to finish activation. Now go to the Roles table and look for the Platform I Work Planner role, which is a mandatory role for this agentic workflow. For any user you plan to grant access to the agentic workflow, this is where you'll assign their user roles for the mandatory agentic workflow role. For example, the ITL role is assigned to Susan, who needs permission to trigger this agentic workflow from the Now Assist panel. Make sure this role is assigned to the appropriate user. To confirm, search for Susan, and you should see that the user Susan is activated. This indicates the assignment was successful.